Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to remove the background of a picture with AI for free. Now you need to know that there are multiple AI tools that can help you do so, and the first one is remove background. You just have to type here remove BG, then it will show you here this option in your Google, remove background from image for free. Then you want to go and click on upload image. Now, after uploading the image, it will create it as a PNG. It will just do like so. And here, as you can see, you have the photo in PNG. You can now download it. And here you have the free version will allow you to download it with a very low resolution. As you can see, it is a little bit pixelated, or you can simply click on max and download the one that has the better resolution, but you can upscale it in another AI. Another tool that you can actually use is Pixel Cut. You just have to search for Pixel Cut in your Google and sign in using your account. Then click on Edit or Enhance Images. Then use Personal. Then it will ask you which option do you want to use or which plan do you want to choose in order to start creating the video. You just have to click on Skip. And here you can see these options. Just click on Remove Background. Choose your photo. And here, as you can see, this is the photo without removing the background. And after I click on remove background, it will show me this photo. I can simply click on download, then click on download again. And here I have it as a PNG. And now it's much more better than the previous result. You can even go to Canva and use the free trial, then click on upload files, then upload here the image, click on edit image. Then you can simply use the background remover right here, and it will remove the background for you. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.